If you've just moved to Texas or bought a car, getting a license plate is part of registering your vehicle. The process is pretty simple, and you'll do it all through your local county tax office. First, make sure you have a few documents ready. You'll need proof of insurance that meets Texas requirements, and you'll also need something that shows you own the car. That could be a title or registration paperwork from the state you moved from. Once you have your documents, head to your local county tax assessor collector office. That's where you'll complete your vehicle registration and receive your plates and registration sticker. In Texas, the DMV assigns a standard license plate number to your vehicle. You can't choose or customize it unless you're applying for a specialty or vanity plate, which is a separate process. Also, there's no longer a rule that says you need to replace your license plates every 7 years. But if your plates are faded, damaged, or hard to read, you can ask for a replacement at the county office. And that's really it. Once everything's processed, you'll leave with your plates and the sticker for your windshield, and you're good to go.